Hello everybody, it's old Man Chu again. Like always, try and find something to do. The other day we were having a cook in the kitchen and somebody forgot to turn off the stove and the whole house was full of smoke and I didn't smell it anymore because I'm getting old. So today we're gonna see if this works or what's going on. So we got the fire on the top on there. If it don't work, we're probably gonna have to put a battery in this because it's good to be on the safe side. No, it doesn't work. I tried it, so it doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to take it down. And it's probably the battery that's going dead on it. But let me show you guys on another city. You just take it down like that. So now I'm gonna take it and put a new battery in it. Hopefully we don't burn down the house once we put this one in there. So my cameraman's gonna follow me. I got the new battery right here. It's something simple, but hey, this could save your life. This right here can save everybody's life. And old Man Chu is always trying to fix things around the house. Sometimes they don't need it, sometimes they do. But the old man always got his shoes because he's got to walk around the house. So see, we take the battery out of that one, and then we put the battery in this one. I think it goes little one and big one. We'll try it like this. Goes in here like that, and we close it. And there's a button on here that's supposed to make it beep. Maybe the thing's burned out. Push to test. I guess the red light. Oh, there it is. So now we got a brand new battery in there. You guys heard that, right? There it is. Brand new battery, so it should work if there's nothing wrong with this. So right now I'm gonna hook it back up. I'll show you guys right now. This will save a lot of lives for everybody there. I'll reach it. And I can't reach up here. There you go. So we're ready. I'm gonna try it. So now I'm gonna take this piece of paper and I'm gonna light it, make it smoke. See if it's not the, there we go. You're not gonna burn down the house. And now we're safe, see? Now it's working. There you go, you turn it off and there you go. You gotta be careful what you get. Oh, because it's gonna keep on going off till I clean that up. Because it's gonna keep on smoking. I'm not supposed to squeeze it twice, but there you go.